I'm going to show you how you can create a DeepSeek account in just a few seconds and fix the issue that most people is having, which is that they don't receive the confirmation code. So as you probably know, DeepSeek is the most trending AI at the moment because people say it's even better than ChatGPT and other AIs, and it's completely free. So to create an account, all you need to do is use Surfshark VPN. I will leave you a link in the description below so you can get it for cheaper and get these offers. As you can see, it's very cheap and they have a 30-day money back guarantee, so you can get a refund if you want to. And after you got your plan, all you need to do is go and download the VPN. You can either download the application or the extension. In my case, I'm using the browser extension. And after that, you need to connect to a Japanese server. So in my case, I have used the UK and the US servers and they were giving me some problems. So I tried the Japanese server and it worked well. I'm going to connect to the server again. As you can see, I'm connected to Japan right now. And then all you need to do is go to DeepSeek. This is the URL and log in with your Google account. Your internet speed might be slower, so it might take a little bit longer to load because you are connected to Japan. But after creating your account, you can always disable the VPN if you want to. Now select the Google account where you want to create the DeepSeek account and wait a few seconds. And that's it. Now I have access to DeepSeek and I can also disconnect the Japanese server so my internet is faster and I can use DeepSeek normally. So I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.